I'm Zachary.
And I'm Antoine.
And today we're going to be making Madeleines live with Redstone ovens. Quarantine cooking day 17.
All right.
So we pre-made the dough so it would go a little quicker. And we're going to put them inside the molds. And then, so first.
So are those special molds?
Yes, they're Madeleine molds. And then we have some other.
Did you show?
Okay.
Show them like that. Oh, Madeleine mold. They have nice little. Yeah, it's okay. All right.
So first we're going to put spread some butter so the Madeleines does not stick.
Still hot?
Yeah.
So a little bit of melted butter. You brush it in.
So you take your brush and then you just like.
Okay. Here I'm going to take the camera so we can see a little better. I thought I would try that today.
So you just take some of butter and spread it up.
Perfect. Okay, here I'm going to keep spreading and you can start putting the dough.
So
how are you going to put the dough?
So we're going to take 2 spoons.
Yeah, not too close, that's good.
And then we're going basically take both spoons, make like a sort of ball, and then put it inside. Ooh, that's a lot. Don't want to put too much.
If not, they are giant Madeleines, right?
Yep. Take a little bit more.
Okay.
There we go.
What's important is to center it well, because that way you can spread better. All right, I put a butter everywhere. And Zach is nicely putting the dough. And so we have preheated the oven to 400 degrees. So it's quite hot, but that's perfect. And so they are going to cook for about 10 minutes. So they cook fast. And so you will see some recipes. They say, okay, put your oven at 425, then you cook for 5 minutes, then you lower it to like 375, and you cook for 5 to 10 more minutes. We're just going to do it at 400, 10 minutes. Oh, you're doing a great job, Zach. You're getting like just the right amount in it. All right, I'm going to give a hand to Zach. I'm going to put the camera back so we can put it in the oven. I'm sure everyone is eager to see those Madeleines coming out. Okay, can we see well? Okay, that's perfect. So let's put it up for you. Put some everywhere.
Yes.
There we go.
In fact, you did.
In fact, I did. So the recipe we're going to give you, we'll do 1 sheet of Madeleine. And how many is that, Zach? Is it 12? It's a 1 dozen of Madeleine.
Actually, it's.
Oh, no, it's 18.
15.
15?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. No, it's 6, right?
No, 1. Oh, yeah, 6.
6, so 18. So a dozen and a half.
Or you could just
One.
say 18.
One that doesn't have enough. Perfect. Yeah, it's okay. We can make a super full one. Yeah, you pull that spatula, right?
Yep.
Alright, we're just making the most of what we have here, so we're going to scrape it
Or
nicely.
we could leave some to lick.
We can leave some for Zach to eat. Did they just call you your brother?
Yes.
That's offensive right there. Okay. Put some, that's a lot, so put a little bit.
You got tiny bit.
If you keep the rest, okay, we'll eat the rest. Alright. You put a ton here.
Doesn't matter. Okay, so
Ready to put it in the
now
oven?
we're put it in the oven, and then we're going to show you how to make this.
Perfect.
So,
You have a watch on the timer? No? Oh, that's okay. Here, I'm going to close the insulated door of the oven. Perfect. Alright, so let's move on to the recipe. What goes in it, Zachary?
So first you're going to, oh, well, not first, but your ingredients are going to be about a stick of butter, of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon or lemon extract, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 115 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt.
Perfect.
So first you're going, like we said, preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Then with an electric mixer, you're going to mix your eggs and sugar, but we already pre-mixed the eggs and sugar because it's really loud, and it was going to take about 5 minutes of really loud noise, which I'm just going to show you how you do it. You're just going to take your thing, and then you start mixing! Can you hear me? So, yep.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there you go. So imagine that for 5 whole minutes. No. So then we're going.
Here, I'm going to move it for you. Here we go.
So then we're going to add our butter.
You know what we said we'll mix it with mix-up butter. Here. Yeah, not really. Just in the container. So the idea when you mix, when you mix your eggs and your sugar, you want to make sure that it gets foamy. So first it will turn white, and then it will get foamy. And you are going to keep mixing for total mixing about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the mixer. Here, I pour.
Yeah.
So 5 to 8 minutes. So 5 to 8 minutes for the mixer, just flour and the egg until it gets really foamy. And then you start mixing, not too fast, and you slowly put your butter. So the idea, a little bit faster. I'm going to grab the camera, and I'm going to show how nicely creamy it is. Here,
Okay.
Look at that. All good this time. Good.
So it's going to bubbly, which is
So
going to give the
nice and foamy.
Madeleine the texture that you like, that we all like. So it's nice and creamy, right?
Yeah.
So then we're going to add in a separate bowl our flour.
Here, I'm going to get you a whisk. You can whisk the...
Yep. A flour. So then you're going, your 115 grams of flour, your half a tablespoon of baking powder, your pinch of salt.
A little bit more salt, because a tiny pinch. There we go. Then you mix it with a whisk.
So then you mix it with a whisk. So then after you mix it with a whisk, you want to you want to mix your flour into your eggs, butter, and sugar. So first
to put too much. That's just one. That's to put about a quarter of that. If not, it's really strong. So we didn't have fresh lemon. That's good. We didn't have fresh lemon. We happen to have lemon extract. So that's what we used. And the recipe does say 2 tablespoons, which is too much. It's great if it's fresh juice, lemon juice, but if it's extract, just a little bit is good.
So first, he's going to help me pour a little bit by little bit.
Okay, so I don't need that. And so you're going to fold in your flour into your batter, and you want to put a little bit at a time. If you put too much, you're going to end up with big pieces of flour that may not mix. And so we don't want it to be clumpy. Take your time, really fold it in, and you quickly get thicker. Okay. So on the recipe we said to put about 1 spoon at a time of flour. As you mix it, you really want to fold it in. Don't mix too hard. There we go. So scrape your sides a little bit.
Really want to get all that flour in.
Here we go. All the flour in. Take the camera again, just so everyone can see. Go ahead and mix. Go ahead, fold it in. Perfect. Yeah, you're scraping your side. That's perfect.
So,
Is it tiring, Zach?
yep.
Okay.
So we can smell the lemon from here. Okay, that looks good. So then you want to put it in the fridge.
Wait.
In the fridge for half an hour and let it rest.
So depending on the fridge temperature, can be 20 minutes, can be a half hour. You just want it to cool off a little bit because the butter is still quite hot. You just want it to give it a time for the flour to rest, and then it will start expanding a little bit. And at that point, you don't want it to cool too much. If not, it's too stiff. You will have a hard time working with it. But go ahead and check it again. How that looks, Zachary?
That looks great.
Oh wow, they look good.
Okay, I'll go get the camera.
Yeah. Okay, so go ahead. Take them out of the oven. Let's straighten it.
So
There we go. So they look quite perfect.
these are the Madeleines. They look really good.
Okay, so here I'm going to grab one of the stones. Don't move. You're good. We'll put it right here on the table so everyone can see. So they came out really good. They puffed up nicely.
So they're brown and they're just a tad bit
So-
burned.
No, not burnt. They're nicely colored. That's how you say it. Okay.
No,
Okay.
but they're really good looking.
Yeah, let me grab a knife so we can. They're a little hot. So you want to let them cool off a little bit. But yeah, they look good. They didn't stick. So they have a nice color
Bottom.
underneath.
Yep.
So that's perfect. All right, I'm gonna put the camera back.
So we're going to put the camera back.
Okay, let's see everyone. It's good. Don't sweat it too hard.
There you go.
Alright, so I think it's time to say goodbye. But
Yeah.
yeah, the Madeleine turned out beautiful.
Yep.
They cooked right in time, so 400 degrees, 10 minutes was perfect. High five. All right, well, thank you for watching, everyone. That was our quarantine cooking day 17. Those Madeleines are going to be delicious with coffee, hot chocolate, hot tea, anything.
Hot chocolate in the middle of the summer?
Yeah, it's starting to get hot here in Dallas, so yeah, hot chocolate maybe not, but iced tea maybe.
Yeah.
Iced tea. Okay.
Thanks for watching and bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.